Hello student, this is your social science teacher from St. Norbert Senior Secondary School, Damoh. Today I am going to summarize class 10 chapter 1 power sharing. This chapter teaches us how power sharing important in democracy. और अगर हम पावर को शेयर नहीं करेंगे तो क्या होगा? Both the situation explained in NCERT through two stories. One is of Belgium and one is of Sri Lanka. Let's talk about Belgium. Belgium is found in Europe. It is surrounded by France, Netherlands and Germany. Its population is half population of Haryana. It has diversity. Belgium as a country level certain majority and capital level certain majority. At country level, Dutch speakers are 59% and French speakers are 40% and German speakers are of 1%. French people were in minority and case is completely opposite in the capital city Brussels, where French people are in majority with 80% and Dutch people are in minority with 20%. ये रीजनल सोशल डाइवर्सिटी बेल्जियम में थी और इसी के कारण 1950s और 1960s में प्रॉब्लम आना शुरू हो गई. Dutch people start getting jealous from the French people. They thought French people are more richer and powerful from them. Dutch people ने सोचा जो भी डेवलपमेंट हो रहा है उसका सारा क्रेडिट फ्रेंच पीपल को जा रहा है. Now let's talk about Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is an island nation, little bigger than you can say Haryana. Sri Lanka also have a similar kind of problem, but I can't say same. In Sri Lanka, two prominent language is there. Number one is Sinhala speakers and another one is Tamil speakers. Tamil speakers also divided into two, Indian Tamil and Sri Lankan Tamil. Indian Tamil वो जो कॉलोनियल पीरियड में श्रीलंका शिफ्ट हो गए थे ट्री प्लांटेशन के लिए, बट उनके फोर फादर्स जो है वो श्रीलंका को बिलोंग नहीं करते हैं और श्रीलंका तमिल वो पीपल हैं जो जिनके नेटिव्स और फोर फादर श्रीलंका को बिलोंग करते हैं. 74% are Sinhala peoples and they regionally follow the Buddhist religion, and Tamil speaker divided into two religions, that is Hindu and Muslim. Now I am going to tell you two stories which I am going to tell you both were unfold in very different way. Belgium is going to take very different context and rules and Sri Lanka is going to take very different route. We start with Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka got independence in 1948. After independence, Constituent and Parliament met, but Sinhala community was dominating the Tamil community. In 1950s, Sinhala became the official language and preference were given in university and government job. In fact, new constitution was made to protect the foster Buddhism. Unfortunately, those were speaking Tamil language, they were feeling like an alien. Now, Tamil were not getting equality. So they start asking for what was their right. For the recognition of Tamil language for equal opportunities in jobs. These were few demands which Tamil people were begging, but those demands were not met. In fact, in 1980, Tamil people were asking for separate state. The relation between Sinhala and Tamil people were getting day by day worse. So the result was civil war. The civil war had caused a terrible setback to the social culture and economic life of both communities. Now talk about Belgium. Belgium took a contrasting way. In fact, Belgian government decided to accommodate regional diversity by dividing the power between 1970s to 1993. Back to back, the government had made 4 amendments in the constitution. What are these amendments? We are going to study the elements of Belgium government. Number 1, constitution prescribed that the number of French and Dutch speaking ministers shall be equal in number in the central government. Many powers of central government were given to state government. In Brussels, both communities have equal representative. At the same time, a special government were made community government in which all languages were equal. Why power sharing is desirable? It is desirable by 2 reasons. Number 1 is prudential reason and another one is moral reason. In prudential reason, power sharing is good because it helps to reduce the possibility of conflict between the social groups. And in moral reason, democratic rule involves sharing power with those affected by its exercise and who have to live with its effect. People have a right to be consulted about government. Power sharing is the spirit of democracy. Now, talk about forms of power sharing. There are 4 major forms of power sharing. Number 1 is horizontal power sharing. Number 2 is vertical power sharing. Number 3 is power sharing among different groups. And number 4 is power sharing between pressure group and movements. In horizontal distribution of power, power is divided among the different organ of government. इसमें पावर जो है वो सबको इक्वली डिवाइड रहता है और किसी को ज़्यादा पावर और कम पावर नहीं मिलता और सारे लोग एक दूसरे के काम को भी चेक कर सकते हैं. So power is divided in different organs. That organs are legislature, executive and judiciary. Number 2 is vertical division of power. Power can be shared among government at different level. A general government at the provincial or regional level. For example, in vertical division of power, power is divided. In India we can see power is divided by union government to state government to local government, and local government also divided into the municipalities and panchayats. So this is known as the vertical division of power. ऊपर से नीचे की तरफ पावर को डिवाइड किया गया है जिससे उनका पावर और वर्क दोनों शेयर होता है और वो एक दूसरे के वर्क को भी चेक कर सकते हैं. Now point 3. Power may also be shared among different social groups such as religions and languages groups. Community government in Belgium is a good example of this arrangement. Now point number 4. Power sharing arrangement can be also seen in the way political parties, pressure groups and movements control or influence those in power. When 2 or more parties form an alliance of 2 contest election and if they get elected, they form a coalition government and share power. I hope my all students have understood in a better way. Watch this video and revise the content and do your homework. Learn all the question answers given back of the lesson. Thank you. God bless.